Hey James, have you noticed the surge in patient requests for comfort care items recently? Extra pillows, blankets, warm drinks. It seems every other patient is asking for something beyond their basic medical needs.
You're right, Mihira. It's definitely picked up. I put it down to the new digital patient feedback system. Maybe it's just making them feel more empowered to ask. Or perhaps it's the shift in doctors' emphasis towards holistic care. They're encouraging patients to voice their needs more.
Maybe. But it's not just the volume of requests that's challenging. It's the timing. I've had 3 patients this morning ring for a hot water bottle just as I was about to administer critical medications or during my ward round for vitals. It's leading to significant delays in our scheduled tasks. We're falling behind on medication rounds, and charting is getting pushed back. It's not sustainable if we want to maintain the quality of our core clinical responsibilities.
I hear you. It's a tricky balance. We want to promote patient comfort, but not at the expense of clinical efficiency. So, what do you think we can do? We can't just ignore these requests.
No, absolutely not. My main concern is that if this continues, our ability to perform essential duties like timely drug administration and thorough observations will be compromised. The patient experience is vital, but so is patient safety derived from consistent clinical care. I think we need to look at dedicating specific times for comfort rounds, perhaps, or delegating some of these tasks to nursing assistants more effectively.
That makes sense, Mihira. We need a way to manage the increased demand without letting it derail our core nursing functions. Mihira, I want to explain this gently because it can feel overwhelming after a health scare. Regular exercise is not about pushing your body to extremes. It helps your heart work more efficiently, lowers harmful cholesterol, improves blood sugar control, and supports steady weight loss if that is needed. When your heart becomes stronger, it does not have to strain as much to pump blood, which reduces the risk of future attacks. Exercise also improves circulation and helps your body use oxygen better, which supports healing and long-term energy. Preventing future attacks is about caring for your whole system, not just one part. A balanced diet with more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can reduce strain on your heart. Limiting excess salt, sugar, and heavily processed foods also matters. Equally important is learning how to slow down. Chronic stress keeps your body in a constant state of tension, which affects blood pressure and heart rhythm. Simple practices like deep breathing, short walks, gentle stretching, prayer, or quiet time can help your nervous system settle. Adequate sleep and asking for emotional support when you need it are not weaknesses. They are part of protecting your heart and giving yourself the chance to heal fully.